Hi friends, welcome to Sachin Digital Marketing YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to create a Google Ads. Okay, so first, what you will do, just go to your Google Chrome browser and search ads.google.com. Okay, search ads.google.com. Once you search ads.google.com, you will open a dashboard like this. Just click on Get Started. Okay, don't click on Sign In. If you have already an account in Google AdWords, then just click on Sign In and log in with your email ID. But first, if you're first time logging into the Google Ads account, then just click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, it will open a dashboard like this. Just click on New Google Ads account. Okay, just click on New Google Ads account. Once you click on a new Google Ads account, it will open a dashboard like this. Okay, don't click on any of these four options. Okay, just click on Switch to Export Mode. Once you click on Switch to Export Mode, it will open a one more dashboard like this. Here, don't select any objective. Okay, so here there are a lot of objectives. We have this, we will use once we set up all the Google Ads campaign. Then when we are creating a campaign, that time we will use this objective. Okay, so when you are creating your Google Ads account, don't click on any of the objective. Just click on create an account without a campaign. Okay, just click on create an account without a campaign and select your time zone and currency here. Okay, remember one thing, guys. Whenever you are set up in your Google Ads account, once you set up time zone and currency, you don't have any option to change it again. Okay, when you are setting up Google Ads account, be sure whenever choosing a time zone and currency. Okay, so billing country is India. For okay, time zone is so our Indian time zone, and the currency is an INR. Okay, so what I will do, I will just choose this and I will click on submit. Okay, once you click on submit, just congrats, all done. Okay, just click on explore your account. So yes, this is the dashboard of the Google Ads. Okay, this is how we are going to create an Google Ads account. Okay, so this is the way we are creating the Google Ads account. Okay, so this is how we will create.